Rippa R13 Mini X. So, me being a bimbo, I didn't realize you had to take out the locking pin for the quick attach. I thought it was all done by the button. And let's just go over to the button here for a second. The quick hitch off. It's in the off position. Off position actually means bucket on, as you can see. So it's kind of a oppo there. And when you click the on position, this claw right here will come out this way. And locking pin, it's actually, I would not say that it's really all that bent, but maybe a little bit. Anyways, this side I can get in just fine, but I was hitting the bottom of that hole no matter what I did. So got myself a 5/8 drill bit, high-speed steel, DeWalt 1622 with a reduced 1/2-inch shank. And it took me, I want to say, an hour and a half to drill that out. I had my cutting oil, okay? I used a lot of cutting oil. It's kind of awkward. I used my belly, I used my chest. And anyways, now the locking pin goes in, and I got the little hook in my pocket here. Still a little bit of an effort to get it out. Just gotta pop it out with something. So, oh boy, I'm not sure if that was my fault. Maybe it was. Probably it was. But as you can see in there, it's a little, that lip that you see is this, the bottom of these two hooks kind of coming down, so it's not exactly lined up perfectly. So, lesson learned. For those of you with the quick attach, when the bucket is on, you take the pin out. And the button is in the off position. When you want to take the bucket off, then you put this on the ground, put the button to on, and then that'll release this jaw. And that part works just fine. Alright, on to the next thing.